G'day, Scotty True Blue here again. Second video in a little series on how to make a soft shackle. And this one, similar to the first, is just a quick and easy soft shackle anyone can make out in the field just with a piece of rope. So different to the first one, this one's going to be sort of twice as strong, and we're using a piece of rope here that's 3.5 meters, or about 3 meters long. This one. So ideally you want to be about 3.5 meters or maybe more. Just gives you a bit more room on the shackle for your eyelets or whatever you're connecting onto. A bit more room to work with. Longer shackles are a bit easier. So we'll get into this. So a piece of rope 3 meters long. Again, this is the same Bunnings rope, 8mm diameter, 1350 kg breaking strain. So with our rope folded up like this, you could just nice and simply put a knot in this end, make you a little loop, feed it through there, crank that up, pull these individually to make it tight, and get the other end. And you could just loop that over, obviously put that through the eyelet of your snatch strap and through your recovery point or whatever you're connecting, two snatch straps, whatever you're doing there. Put that through, make a loop over the top of the rope and pull that tight. Now straight away you can already see that one strand's not even tight, it's not going to do anything. Okay, so that's the trouble with this method. Okay, you're always going to end up with one strand stronger than the others, and one probably not even holding anything. So whatever load you put on, it's going to go on one strand more than the others, and that tighter strand will snap much earlier than you expect, and it won't be very strong. Once that one snaps, it'll go on the next one that's tight, that'll snap, and the next one that's tight, that'll snap. Well, actually probably just feed back through out of your loop, so that won't be too strong. So to make it better, just like the first shackle I showed you, we can just put some twists in it. Give it a bit of a twist. Now we could, to make this easy, you could just cut that there and make it 2 sections of rope. That'd make it easier to twist up. But as one piece of rope, I'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, so we'll just start with this piece here, and we'll just start twisting that up on its own. Just make sure the other bits of rope aren't getting tangled up over here. And we just twist that up, twist it until we're about halfway. And that's that. We make them a bit tighter even. Just add a little bit more twist. Until we got it about even, about halfway down. Righto, we lay it out like that. Now, all we're doing now is just getting these 2 bits and we're twisting it around this bit. But we need to start from the other end. So we come up here, we grab it like this, and we just got to feed it around so that these 2 bits are laying onto this piece that's already twisted. So that'll give you an idea on which direction you want to twist it. So twist it about the same amount of twists as what you put in that first bit. Basically what you're making here is a 4-stranded rope. When you get to the end here, you just want to adjust it so that the ends are about even. Make the most of your rope. Right. Just trying to make that a bit even, flatten him out a bit. So this end, now if we didn't put the twist in this first bit, this would be trying to twist back the other way. We don't want that. This makes it nice and even. And so basically what we've made is a nice section of 4-stranded rope down the way. Pretty cool. And with that, righto. Now, same again, we get this end over here, and we make our loop, and we feed these bits through to make our big thick knot. Now stop a knot. Now you could get fancy and make a different style of knot, but we're talking about making a quick, easy shackle out in the middle of nowhere, just out of a piece of rope. So just one of these knots is working fine. Oh no, look at that. Now, similarly, you feed that through your snatch trap, through your recovery ring or whatever you're connecting to, and you feed that over, make your loop, put your knot through there, and then you just tighten it up. Try to get it a bit even as possible. Now, because we've got these twists, if one strand is tighter than the others, it will try to pull a straight line, and it will push the others more wonky, I guess you could say, and that will make them tighter. So it will help even out the tension between all four strands, between all four loops. And that will be super strong because it'll even out that tension. And similarly, there's no way, as long as you keep the eyelet of the snatch trap close around, up close to here, close to your knot, there's no way that's going to pop up over your knot. So that's going to be super secure, super strong, and super easy. Now, if you wanted to be extra super secure, again, you could make your little noose set up here. Feed that through your eyelet of your snatch trap. Get your knot over here. Feed it through the little noosey bit. And then crank that down like that. It doesn't matter now where you put the eyelet of your snatch strap, that's never coming undone. Alright, and similarly, it will even out the tension because of these twists. Now, as you see, it's getting a bit tight here, so ideally you want a longer piece of rope to start with, so that you've got a bigger shackle to play with. But it depends on your thickness of your rope. So if you're using 10mm, obviously you probably want a piece 4 or 4.5 meters long. Using 6mm, 3 meters probably be ideal. So there you have it. If you got something out of that, give me a thumbs up. If you suck, give me a thumbs down. Or if my video sucks, give me a thumbs down. And stay tuned. Very shortly I will do another video where I put these shackles and the different methods with and without twists. I'll put that through a stress test to destruction with a winch and a load cell, and we'll see what the breaking strain of these are. So stick around for that. Yeah, really appreciate it if you subscribe and look around for that and the other videos I'll make showing how to make different styles of soft shackles in the near future. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.